is pulling Caitlin, and
Stop pulling it. I'm not pulling it. Yeah, you are. Wow.
oh,
Hold on. Okay, go.
okay, ah! Sorry. She was a lot, doesn't she, Gabby?
Yeah. Get going, Gabby. Get going. Get going. Ah! I'm trying to go, but I can't. Okay, pull. Yeah, I might need help by someone first.
Ah, that hurts. Okay. Oh.
Caitlin's a dork.
Do you know what that means?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, Aubrey.
Yeah?
What's in Gabby's hair?
What? You have two of them!
Get him out.
They're the weird giant mosquito thingies.
Get him out. Get your hair too, Aubrey.
Ah!
He's out now. He's right there. Go.
Okay.
I need help pulling her.
I know. Ow! Oh. Oh.
What?
Also, I did this whenever I was like 5 or 6, and I only weighed like 40 pounds. So, it was a lot easier back then. Since I tripled my weight.
What? It's out. I saw it fly away. Is it recording?
Yeah. That's the pretty sun. Okay. Oh, your foot's gone, Gabby. Horses! Caitlin, shut up. Caitlin, shut up.
Is there a car?
No.
Get on the right side of the road, please, so we don't get hit.
They're looking at us. Horses! Oh, that's weird, and that was. I'm gonna put this on Facebook tonight and tag y'all in it. What does it hurt?
My turn. My turn to go on the skateboard. You gotta know how to. When you want that way, you gotta lean like this. Okay, now come get the bike. I'm gonna drive it.
Yes.
Cause we're downhill now.
We are?
Yeah.
What underwear am I wearing? Oh, oh, never mind.
Don't worry about pulling it now. I've got it. I've got it.
I want to pull it. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I mean, you see your arm.
I'm fine. Let's go in the middle of the road. Do not speed up. I won't. That's what made me fall. Because you're too far back on it. No, I'm not. Okay. feel like you're about to fall off, you need to go forward so you don't slip back.
Don't worry. Be happy. Shut up! I got another girls' camp.
Why don't you keep it up?
Slow down.
You need to slow yourself down. Okay, today we're gonna walk back that way.
Okay. Which we were gonna do yesterday.
You're all over the road because I'm going so slow.
The dragonfly.
Caitlin!
I wanna go on the swing.
Hey!
Oh.
That's so Facebook material. Please don't put this on Facebook because I hurt my teeth.
I already am gonna put this on Facebook.
No, please.
Yes.
I'm hurting my teeth. You're hurting my teeth. My legs are tickling. Finally, we're done with this kind of road. This one is worse.
How?
It's not up to date. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, Caitlin.
I think I can. I think I can.
Not that fast, though.
She's gonna wreck. No, wait, no, she's not. Never mind.
Caitlin, do you want to switch off with Aubrey? I way to light it.
Crazy.
Yep.
It's time for me to run. I'll help you out up this hill.
Off the hill and you're
I know. Here, stand up real quick.
Oh, you're making me fall back. See?
Hold on. Okay.
What?
Where's my... Oh! 8 minutes and 53 seconds so far. Oh, yeah, I was supposed to help you. Go.
Come on, I need... You might want to get out of the road. I'm really good at just leaning things. Stop.
Okay. All right. Oh.
I hate it when that happens.
Oh, yeah, it's recording. Well, that took longer than I expected. Getting here, I thought it would go faster. Alright, can I pause this now?
can I stop recording?